I'm Kristi Conlon. I'm with Intel Corporation, Sales and Marketing University. I'm the Chief Learning Strategist, and what that entails is really driving the transformation through our talent capabilities. So one of the areas where we've been able to add value is by having a multi-layer competency architecture. And that competency architecture allows us to get really prescriptive in terms of how we develop and skill up people. We use a tool called Checkpoint, which is actually licensable. It's 360, and it allows for managers, employees, 3 to 5 peers, customers, and even direct reports to provide insights on the different skill levels of the employee. And what this does is it allows people to get different insights on their skills that are really important to the business. I might think I'm a rock star. Somebody else might be very humble. So self-assessment alone doesn't drive it. And managers don't always get to observe behavior. So when we get the full mix of self, managers, peers, customers, it's just a broader insight for our development gaps. The insights that we've been able to get by triangulating not only insights from the learning management system, but also from Salesforce.com, our commissions database, our HR database, have really given us credibility and a seat at the table with the business to drive the transformation. I like to call the chain of evidence a lot of different links where we can show correlation, not just necessarily causation, but correlation. For example, if we have someone complete a course, and we can then demonstrate that they've applied it on the job. And then we can demonstrate that by applying it on the job, it leads to more leads or revenue in Salesforce.com. Then suddenly we're able to use that as a consulting vehicle to get the right budgets and make the right investments for our sales force. So now that we've been able to show a chain of evidence, and we have 4 years of statistically validated data, the next step for data analytics is really scaling it to dig a little deeper and broader and making it have a higher impact. And one of the biggest challenges in doing that, quite frankly, is our team, trying to skill up our team around data analytics, because that's not typically a learning and development function. So we're getting smart, and that's the next plan, is to really make it a core competency for all L&D people.